This SUV sets a new standard of dynamics and quality for our target group. We wanted to show strength and confidence. The lion represents all of this. We defined Dongfeng Mechanics as our mantra to stay ahead. The first impression is the front face, with its focused display of our design concept Dongfeng Mechanics. The large grille is like a roaring lion's open mouth. The front face's force radiates through the whole body as it develops into the shoulders. Its waistline is muscular, like a running lion while on a farm. From stance and gesture to every detail, every part was meticulously improved. The end result is what you see now as our latest product. Guys, I think you will like it.